Hi, this is Mark McRae, and I've been helping businesses make more money and get more clients for over 20 years. And one of the ways that I've found that you have to be productive in order to get to your goal is you have to schedule things. So if it's not scheduled, it doesn't get done. So for example, you might have a good idea. You might have written something on a notepad. You might have written something in your to-do list. But unless you've actually planned time in your schedule to make that thing happen, it will probably never happen. It will just remain in the idea stage. That's why scheduling is so important. Most business people have some kind of rough schedule. They've got some key things that they have to do every day. They go into work and there's usually some kind of routine. And there's also usually some time in their schedule for things that they want to make happen. So if you want to make something happen, if you're trying to achieve a new goal, if you're trying to push forward and drive revenue, schedule time to make that happen. Schedule time even if you need to rest. If you want to have a nap or whatever, if you're in that habit of having 10, 20 winks during the day and you lie on the sofa, put it in the schedule. If you're going to eat, and obviously you're going to eat, but when you have your lunch or your mid-morning, put it in the schedule. Every minute is important when you're at work. That's the reason that you're there, is to make something happen. So don't waste time. Schedule every part of your day and you'll find you'll be a lot more productive. If you want to reach me, you can get me at markmccrae.com if you need help with your business. Thanks for listening.